wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Consider subscribing down below. My name is Rashida and I record cleaning content, lots of mommy videos. I throw in beauty videos every now and again. So if you're interested in anything like that, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And in today's video, what we're doing is just kind of cleaning up around the house. As you can tell, it's a little messy. There's clothes everywhere. There's trash in different areas. So I'm just going to be kind of straightening up around my home today. It's not really a deep cleaning type of video. It's just more so like a tidy up. I try to do this at least once or twice a week. And then on the weekends, I try to definitely deep clean, and that video is going to be coming soon because I'm going to be steam mopping my floor, so I'm super excited about that. But that's besides the point. So as you can tell, I have bought the Dyson. I have been wanting this vacuum for a very long time, so I'm very happy that I got that. And it's doing an amazing job with my carpets. I mean, I've been in the same apartment for a very long time, so it's definitely picking it up, whatever's deep down in there after living here for almost 5 years. So
yeah, I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. No one can sit in there with me, I won't be ashamed. Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. You do the same and we'll be alright. Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
alright, so as you can tell here, I am now cleaning my garbage can. It has been a minute since I cleaned it, and I wondered where this smell was coming from, and it had to be from there because ever since I cleaned it, it is now gone from by my door. So my trash can needed a deep cleaning, and so did the wall behind it. So I'm actually going to be using one of those Mr. Clean thingy-majiggers, and I'm using that to clean off that wall because it was absolutely disgusting. As you can tell at the bottom, I mean, it was nasty. So I'm glad I got that done.
See what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. You do the same and we'll be alright. Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
So please do not judge me for the state of my oven. It has been a minute since I've gotten to clean it. A lot of that stuff is actually dried cupcake mix because I made cupcakes and it splattered all over my stove. So I had to really dig down deep and get it clean. You can honestly tell in the timestamp that I actually let it sit for a while because that's how caked up all that stuff was on the stove. So it's definitely was needed, and I actually figured out that I could lift the stove as well, and I cleaned under there too, so that was very, very satisfying. after finishing up my dishes, I decided to use a little bit of the Mr. Cleaner magic sponge left, and I cleaned off the wall behind my sink because it was really splotchy as well. And I actually got an Amazon package while I was cleaning, and it was these new little soap dispensers that I found on Amazon through another video I watched. She linked these, and they're super cute. So I'm actually pretty excited to be receiving these, and I went ahead and set those up on camera too. Alright, so to finish up this day of cleaning and tidying, I'm just finishing up in the living room. I'm opening the windows, letting some air in, and then I'm also going to be getting the laundry off the couch. It's been sitting there for like 2 days, so I was like, okay, it is time because we ain't got nowhere to sit. So, and I got my boys to help me because they are old enough to help mommy around the house. They are not little babies to where they can't clean, so they help me clean up and straighten up the rest of the house. Honestly, just really the rest of the living room. And I'm just going to be getting the rest of the laundry off the couch just to kind of give us some spaces to sit. And then I'm going to finish up with some vacuuming here in a moment. Guys, I'm telling you, this vacuum is amazing. I can already tell the difference in my carpets. And I've been in the same apartment for 5 years. So this vacuum is amazing, and I think it's worth every penny. I got mine on sale, so yeah. But that's it for today's video. I'll be coming this week with another video redoing my boys' room, so be on the lookout for that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!